That's Chaz. He's a good boy. He's like the store mascot.
Yeah, once I saw a dog that looked like Chaz, and I thought that was him, but it was another dog with a beautiful white muzzle like that. Yeah.
Boy.
How old is Chaz?
Chaz is 9.5.
And look at how wonderful a shape he's in.
Yes.
It's wonderful.
He's also on the raw food.
So raw food for dogs. Now it's funny because these dogs probably eat better than most humans do that.
Yes, definitely. Actually, most of the things in the store, the raw foods and stuff. Oh, God bless you. All the raw foods in here, because they're all organic and you could actually probably cook them and eat them yourself.
Wow.
Yeah.
That, in this economy, that could be, that could get you by in a pinch.